Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this exciting episode, day 2 of van life, we drive over the Hoover Dam. So we parked in the Lake Mead area. We found a campsite called Lake Mead RV Village, and this is what we woke up to. Glorious sunshine. It was absolutely lovely. So far this holiday has not disappointed in any way. So we arrive in the disabled or accessible car parking area. There's plenty of, there was plenty of parking for us because we're out of season. You see that in the top left corner. For RVs, ours was 30 foot long. So it's really good. This is the spillway. The Hoover Dam, as you can see, is really quite dry. They're about 120 foot lower than what they should be. Lake Mead was the same. When you go round, if you notice on the rock, there is like a white line. That is the minerals from the water. You'll see it later on. That shows you where the water line used to be. So I decide to whip across the road because I want to see what the time is in Arizona, because it's different to Nevada. And notice how little water there is.
I will, if that's all right.
If you don't mind, that would be fantastic.
Yeah, there you go. All right.
This is pretty impressive.
It's absolutely unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, you need the arm as well, babe.
Yeah.
There you go.
And this is the shot that they took. What a lovely couple. Thank you so much.
Can't see anything.
I know, it's so bright, isn't it? Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Have fun, be safe.
Yeah, and
thank
enjoy
you.
the rest of your trip.
Have a wonderful day.
You can see where the water used to be by the way that the mineral staining has been left on the rock. You'll see it much further round. There you go, you see it all there. Apparently it's mineral deposits are not washing the rock clean. And of course the tower is Nevada time, because half of the bridge is in Nevada and half of the bridge is in the state of Arizona. Kelly came up with a good point, and that was, if they called a general meeting for all the workers on the Arizona and the Nevada side, and they turned around and said it was for 11 o'clock in the morning, would half of them be late or would half of them be early? Over the Hoover Dam there is a 15-mile-an-hour speed limit. Hang on a minute. Is that another Cruise America RV? They get everywhere. So we gave them a wave. Before you arrive at the Hoover Dam, you have to go through security. They did ask me if I had firearms, and they also thoroughly checked the RV. So before we arrived at the Hoover Dam, we drove over this bridge and the sat-nav was saying something different to what the signs were, and it was saying RVs had to go in through the back entrance, but the back entrance is actually closed. Everything goes over the Hoover Dam. But I thought I would include this so you could see what it was like. Now back to where we were before. So this is where Kelly asked me to stop so she could help hold the casino up. So my jaw dropped on the floor because I'm not used to seeing large variants of colours within the soil, and these are quite dramatic, and well, the whole trip was me having my jaw getting lower and lower and lower from each different site that we saw. Absolutely fantastic. This is where we head back into the national park near Lake Mead so that we can find our campsite. Before we went to the Hoover Dam this morning, we went food shopping, and we first time doing it in America, so we were a little bit naive. I picked up 2 cans of, or should I say, I picked up 2 boxes of cans of fizzy drink and put them in the basket, noticing that you could have 3 free. So I'm thinking to myself, it can't be 3 cans, it can't be 3 boxes of cans, it must be 1 box free, giving you 3. No, I was wrong. When I got to the kiosk, she went, oh no, it's if you buy 2 boxes of cans of drink, then you can have 3 boxes of cans of drink free, giving you a total of 5 boxes of cans of drink, which almost sorted us out for the whole holiday. So we found our park up for the night. It was this campsite. We spoke to a local neighbour and he turned and said just park there and the security people will come round later, and we ended up paying first thing in the morning. So we stayed. They're very, very trusting, lovely people, and Kelly found a new friend. It was a lovely sight, and we had a shower there, and we also washed all of our clothes, and finally found this roll of quarters that we keep seeing in films. It was fantastic. And the sunset was just magnificent. Thanks for watching my channel. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It's completely free.